Hello and welcome guys. So basically we are already discussed about the topic of cloud computing in previous day. So in my channel Indian EVR now I am searching what also. So you have to just watch and watch. Wait and watch all the tricks and all the videos that is uploaded on my channel. So first of all I am not verifying that channel and trying to back off that option. So what I'm searching, not yes. So basically what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a driver to different service through the internet. These resources including tools and application like data storage, server, database, and network and software also. So rather than keep file or property hard drive, local drive device, the market make it possible to save them remote database logically as an electronic device has access the wave of its access to data and software program on it. And there is also thing, so we are just in future the cloud computing role is very high. So we are just trying to solve that issue in a short way. So the cloud computing is a delivery of different service through the internet, including data or storage servers. So we are just trying to solve that. So basically main reason of that, the understanding of cloud computing. The cloud computing is a name of such as because the information being addressed and found remotely in the good virtual space cabinet that provide you the service of enable users to store file applications and remote server them access to all the wide data internet and many more. So nowadays everyone using the cloud computing and organization and other uses. So uh, cloud computing takes the heavy lift of involving the crunching and processing data away from the device you carry around is site and work at the also moves all the work huge computer like basic all the data and information also put on the cloud computing. So cloud computing is still fairly newly launched technique that is also refers to the some objectives of belonging different organization from the big corporation or a small corporation of business non-profit and profit and also. So these are the various types of cloud computing that is uses of storage and internet. There is operated by third party companies and handle control all the hardwares. So if you want to sign up on the cloud computing, so you need to fill up all the details that providing cloud reserved by specific client. And also you have to unusual on business organization from data service and center type of cloud computing may be provider and cloud computing service of the provider networks. So hybrid or clouding is totally different types. So we need to of managing service and hybrid clouds. So we are just trying to solve that issue and searching that other query like that. So what are the types of cloud computing? The computing is not a single piece of technology and microscopic and telephonic rather than primarily inspired service. the infrastructure also and data also. So you need to fix that problems of server software and other issues. So we are just trying to solve that issue involving a license of software applications customer license typically provider to the server and providing as a demand that issue. So instruction, a good cloud computing client of resources demand service logical and platform the consider the examination of the uses of system. It considered to the most of common complexes also there the layers of cloud computing base of similarization and other. The primary differences being inside a driving software online. It's actually platform of creating softwares delivered by internet. So the advantage of the cloud computing is the basically of the caring service file organization and also the canvas.com. ठीक है. So basically, the cloud computing is a far move of adjusting, advising file of multiply devices. Thanks for the cloud computing service, user can check their email on a computer. Like thanks to cloud service, user can profile and their email also computer even the file is not service of Dropbox. So we can learn more than things that is increase your business capacity and the business huge cost servicing potential before the cloud become a viable alternative complex. The required purchase of construction mainly cost of organization future companies also been server centers and IT department fast internet connection and others. So you need to sign up their education field and wax to the complaint. So we can learn new things like that of we can try as a language. There is a learning canva curve of employee and manager, but many individual access of manipulating information through the single port of evident mistake can transfer across an entire system. And the next thing is that the world of the business. So we are just trying to solve that issue and click that server link. The business can be cloud computing based or other hybrid model in keeping the service is good. So we are just used for terminate and the when it comes to providing service they big players to cooperating computing spare like Google Cloud, Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, IAM Cloud and Alibaba Cloud. These all users give you the computer based cloud server which is used for our organization with a heavy uses and good performance at a better quality. And the Amazon service is the 100% public individual like as per a outstanding model once the platform of sign up and for additional Microsoft Azure also client and keep data of secures of Alibaba's cloud is suitable. So what is the example of cloud computing? There is a several employee example of cloud computing application used to business both of business as individual and the types of streaming platform audio and video that actually media files to install by remotely and other. What are the main type of cloud computing? There is a major rules of cloud computing based technology like as the type of cloud computing. IaaS provide an infrastructure and the both of software and hardware to end user boot. Generally software development phase allows to maintain that quality. So we need to grow the information regarding to the server, so we can instance to grow more. So basically the website contain information of legal attribute of solution for injection which is going through the mechanical. So in this video we are just closing that tricks of cloud computing. So if you want to use for that servers regarding your organization, so you just go to that website like Amazon Cloud, Amazon Web Service and Microsoft Azure. So thanks for watching this video. We are meet to in the next video. Thanks.